Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. In this video, I just wanted to update you on Bitcoin. We've been moving in a range quite a bit. It's been a little bit boring, but moving in a range also means that a breakout is close, right? So I just wanted to cover it, give you my thoughts on the technicals, give you my thoughts on the fundamentals, which are very important now as well. So yeah, let's do it. Before we start, I do want to say that if you want to join our exclusive trading signals group, make sure to check out the links in the description or the pinned comment. We've been doing fairly well since its inception 2 weeks ago, so check that out. But all right, let's talk about Bitcoin. So yeah, as I said, I mean, we have what's practically happening right now if we delete the lines right here is that the EMAs, as you can see, the 28, the 50 EMA, the 100 EMA, the gray one, blue one, and the red one, they're all pretty flat. And then you have the 200 EMA coming under us, which still serves as a support. It really does. But it's also falling flat a little bit. So what that means, just technically, is that the average price is flat, is the same. Which usually, even with EMAs, but with SMAs, it's a little bit more the case. But with EMAs, it's also then that we are basically moving in a range. Which is, I mean, it's true and it isn't, in my opinion, because in the end we have dropped down quite a bit. The dollar strength, we are moving quite alongside the dollar strength index, and right now we've just been moving in a range, I think, because we have very strong support under us. As you can see, this trend line, but also the 200 EMA is serving as very strong support, and we have quite a lot of bearish momentum due to the dollar strength index being very strong, and other factors as well. So that's why it looks like we're in a range, but I think we are going to get a breakout fairly soon. Now then the big question is what way will we have that breakout? And I have to be honest in this, I'm fairly biased. My opinion on the market right now is, as most of you know, is that inflation will rise a little bit more, at least in the next like 1 or 2 months. And the monetary policy will follow that and will be more hawkish, which is bearish for crypto. So I expect Bitcoin to at least fall. I mean, right now, if you purely technically look at Bitcoin, so you see some sort of a structure like this, if you just see this, I would say, all right, the most likely scenario is that we will follow that bullish momentum and have a bullish breakout and get up to 24,700. I just want to say that. I just want to have that out in the world. Purely technically, this looks like the most likely scenario. So if you do not agree with my assessment on the fundamentals and you think the fundamentals are more bullish, then this is probably what's going to happen, or this is what you think is going to happen. Now, I have a different opinion. I believe we have some economic numbers coming as well this Thursday, I believe it is, excuse me. Yeah, initial jobless claims. This is going to matter quite a lot. This afternoon, I'll cover it, of course, I'm not sure where. Inflation rate for the EU might matter as well. Not as much, though, I think, but all right. It's probably going to be higher than expected, to be honest. Yeah, this morning, the Dutch, where I'm from, the Netherlands, was way higher than expected. Also has a little bit to do with the year-on-year effect, but all right, let's not get too far into that. But all right, so that's why I think it's more likely that, sure, we have great support right now. We might stay in this triangle for a little bit longer in that market structure, but eventually we will drop down to 23,000, and eventually we will also break through that to drop down to our major supports between 22,500 and 22,700, which is a major support. I don't think that's going to break easily, but I do think we will be bearish until that level. But yeah, that's as I said, I'm a little bit biased, but that's my formulated opinion and analysis on Bitcoin, both fundamentally and technically. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care and bye.